As a brand, it's important to make a memorable first impression, and a great-looking logo is a huge part of that. So whether you're a small business or a large one, we're here to help you find a logo that communicates your brand and is on trend. Today we're looking at the 10 best logo design templates of 2021. All items featured today are available on Envato Elements, an unlimited subscription service that helps you bring your creative projects to life. With access to millions of design assets and services, simply download whatever items you want as many times as you want to enhance your creative projects. Number 10. Tap into the era that brought us Optimus Prime, R2-D2, and Terminator with this retro robot mascot logo by Unreal Stock. It features a bright mustard yellow background with a bold word mark and striking illustration of a rather confident-looking robot. You can insert your brand name, edit the colors, and resize until your heart's content. It's retro and futuristic, and above all, fun. Number 9. This vintage barbershop logo template by Blankkids will be the perfect fit for a brand with some tradition to it. Whether you are a barbershop, a tailor, or a publication about men's grooming, the carefully crafted lettering and vintage illustration style will instantly transport your visitors back to an era of specialized street corner stores. Insert your text, adjust the colors, and resize it to your liking. Number 8. If you're a perfume or wellness brand and you're trying to communicate the handmade quality of your products, this pack of line art logos could be for you. It contains 10 pre-made logos and a range of free fonts to mix and match. They're all clean, uncomplicated, and feature human hands interacting with nature. They make for elegant labels on products and logos on business cards, and they're easy to make your own. Number 7. This set of two-dimensional real estate logos is cute, playful, and functional. Featuring a collection of color and monochrome illustrations of different types of buildings, the set makes intelligent use of the line art style, feeling a bit retro and cartoony, but still professional. Each logo is bright and bold, with editable colors and adjustable stroke weights. Just insert your text, tweak the logo you want to use, and you're all set. Number 6. If you want your brand to have that authentic handmade feel, this So Flowery branding kit with watercolors would be a good choice. With 18 line-drawn logos to choose from, 17 icons, and 13 watercolor elements, you can mix and match to create the perfect logo for your brand. Plus, these projects are editable in both Illustrator and Photoshop, so whatever you use, you'll be able to get hands-on with this pack. If you're enjoying this video, hit the like button below. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with our latest content and find more graphic design templates to build your brand's identity. Number 5. Geometric designs can communicate so much, and nowhere is it more straightforward than in this honeycomb labels template by Jumpsoft. The hexagonal grid design has long been associated with honey, and this pack shows the different manifestations possible following that concept. There's the grid pattern, 3 hexagons as a symbol, and hexagons housing a symbol. If you're a honey brand, look no further than this pack. But if you're not, don't count yourself out just yet. This shape pattern is universal, and with a switch of colors and your brand name applied, these designs could work for just about anything. Number 4. The monogram logo style has come in and out across history, but now it seems to have found its place as a moniker of luxury and style. From Yves Saint Laurent to Louis Vuitton, you'll find it worn proudly on clothes and accessories like handbags, but also on personalized phone covers and notebook sleeves. This logo template by Ilham Tarot channels the sophisticated style of high-end fashion labels. Edit and resize to make it your own, then apply it to your line of products. Who knows? Maybe people will be wearing your luxury goods one day soon. Number 3. There are 2 very in vogue design trends for tech brands today: gooiness and gradients. And this technology logo template has both. Featuring an abstract logo that brings to mind a circuit board pattern and a soft gradient option for the logo or the background, it's a no-brainer for tech brands. It's futuristic but accessible. Just insert your brand name, change the font and colors to your liking, and go. Number 2. Looking for something simple and sleek? This A-letter logo might be for you. Featuring a minimalistic design with rounded corners, along with some strategically placed negative space, this logo works as a monochrome design or one with a gradient applied. It feels fresh and cleanly designed, and it's perfect for a range of businesses, from tech to education. Number 1. Logos always need to strike a balance between being eye-catching, but also, at times, having the ability to blend into the background. This 3D ribbon-style logo by Centavio does a beautiful job of both. Following a gradient-rich ribbon concept, it forms stunning letter shapes with each fold of the ribbon revealing a new color. But it also makes for a perfect monochrome logo that can fade into the background. Use it as is or tweak to your liking. It's professional and bold, and a perfect logo for a modern company. That wraps up our list of the 10 best logo design templates for 2021. Which item was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And check out the description for all the links to the items shown today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Envato channel for more roundups. And check out the next video selected just for you.